Right, recording. Hey everybody, Ben Kean here, reporting about Cloud Pro, VR Pro and iStaging. So some changes happening. We thought we would start off this new season of learning and education, what you're going to do, with a bit of a, well, not so much a twist, just a big bit of a change. We probably won't be broadcasting like we were, only when there's when we really need to be, when there's just something really, really cool happening or a big update. So right now, the big information, I'll share this out to YouTube later today. Changes with the app is to TourRing. So iStaging has rolled out the beta version of that. And what that allows you to do is to share, screen share and voice call an agent, or so an estate agent, directly from desktop to mobile phone. So the advantages of that will really be around direct communication straight off the net. It does require the consumer to enable their microphone and speaker on their computer or whatever they're browsing from, so they can communicate. And we're just sort of working through how to make that best happen. iStaging allows you to have 500 minutes of talk time. So why don't we just go and have a quick look at how that works. I'll just do a quick screen share with you now, and we'll jump and share my screen, share that, and we'll go to iStaging. If you're logging in with a Facebook account, it won't work for you. We're just trying to work, they're working out third-party login integrations, so I set up a separate account for this one. It also allowed me to change my my profile view. So what we're going to do is we will use this. I'll use this one because it's not really anything. It was just something, a mock-up I did for trying to reach out to Air New Zealand. So if anybody out there knows Air New Zealand, you can get me in front of a marketing department there. This tour is for you, so we'll click on that. And we've got our standard, another change, quick change too. We added in a web link here, custom web link for that is now in on the front page of Tour, and we'll show you that. Manage groups, manage visitors, and TourRing. Okay, TourRing. So it's in beta. So I'm gonna copy the link here. Okay, and what it does, it's basically is copy that to your clipboard. Sorry, and you've got to copy and paste the URL and place it somewhere. So we're going to what we'll do is I'll actually place this into this tour, and then we can see how that would behave inside of the tour itself. So I'll go market editor, and I will, let's say, cockpit view. I'll go to business class view. We'll go to the lounge. We'll hide it in here. There's a telephone over there. We'll go. We'll make a tag, an image tag, video. We'll do a straight tag, I think. A couple of things we're going to make. I think we should make a little telephone tag for this one. Press to call, beam to call the engineer. Yeah, please enable. I'll just put a please enable, please allow, please enable mic and speaker on your PC, tablet, tablet, mobile. Really? Oh, is that right? Oh, okay, well, don't worry about Siri, she can go away. Hey Siri, check out TourRing from iStaging.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Great. Okay. Thanks, Siri. Right. Put it in there, and I'm going to put a thumbnail. So on this one, I'm going to put an action. I'm going to put an action. We're going to go learn more. Click learn more. Click learn more. So that learn more would be cool now. And I go Control V. Right. It's a little bit of a long way around to do it, but we'll publish this now. And I'll go back in and we'll change that icon. Right, so let's click save. Great. And I'm going to go view this tour. So watching this, everybody, a bit of a circular reference going on. So this was just a tour I made up to. We went to Taiwan a fortnight ago and had 2 flights on Air New Zealand. And I thought I'd have a look at Air New Zealand's one of their pages and found a virtual tour. But it wasn't a virtual tour at all. It was a YouTube link claiming to be a virtual tour, but it wasn't. It was just a static video. It was pretty plain, pretty average. So I thought I'd reach out to Air New Zealand and say, look, hey, why don't you look at embedding a tour like this into your website and create a little tour here. I've got a map reference, so I thought we'd put in a picture of an airplane and say, well, this is what the seats look like inside that airplane. Embedded the safety video for into the cockpit here, which I thought was pretty cool. Business class, what have we got going on here? Okay, so we've got a where the safety shoes are going to be stowed. We'll link back that way. Branded it up. And I've got their Sky Lounge, which you'll see them advertising on TV and stuff now. It's pretty cool. So look, let's go and click that tag, and we're going to please press to call the agent now. Right, learn more. Right, learn more. So what it's going to do, it's going to go off to another URL, a copy of a URL. It's connecting to my phone. It's ringing my phone. I've got off on my phone here. I connect, and what I'm going to, I'm actually going to turn down the volume because it's going to echo in a minute. Let's turn down the volume. And I'm going to select TourRing. We've got the echo going there. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I can't do both things. Just turn down the volume so that we don't get the echo on the phone here. Feedback. But it allows me to control my iPhone. Yeah, sync. So I'm going to control the viewer's view from my iPhone. And now we've got scrolling around. So we've got a little bit of feedback happening, and we've got a little bit of delay because I've got so much open on my computer. I'm going to go to the next hotspot. I don't have the video icons displayed in here like you would normally do, but that's okay. And they can view around, so I'm doing that all online. So the idea of this is you can show the consumer through the property. And I can tag it as well, so make them look at something. So you can see the icon in the center there on that bag. Okay. that big. And then I want to go make an annotation. And then from that, another annotation around this big. Make it look at specific things. All right. So that's TourRing in a nutshell. You can navigate through the whole thing, show them around the property, all without being there. So the most efficient, we'll hang up this call. All right. So that's the latest. It's the latest thing. You'll be able to get the details of the caller's phone number. If we look at I'll share this the screen mirroring with you as well. I just want to think call recents. So you can see the call in the app itself, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. It just needs to be providing the consumers updated or allowed. Sorry, scratch my head again. So intelligent. Allow the speaker and the mic here in business. If they don't allow the speaker and the mic, it's going to be odd. All right. And maybe we just need to put a little chat button. Hey, allow your speaker and mic for the best experience. Okay. Now, if you wanted to enable that in Facebook or to your own website or anywhere else away from the major portals, you'll be able to use it to your heart's content. You might want to use it in your email marketing and your landing pages. Another thing, landing pages. So we're working on landing pages as well. So landing page, this is going to be awesome. Actually, this is going to be the duck's nuts. So you get a landing page. So you've created your tour. You're going to use Facebook and Google AdWords advertising outside of the normal portals where a lot of people start to advertise now. Okay, so you got the mix of everything. Put the URL in there. It'll bring up a tour. You're able to talk to them directly, and your market have more control over your marketing. Now that will not only be for real estate, that'll be for all businesses, tourism, any business. We're going to package that up and bundle that to add value to make it easy. And we've also got jobs, contracts advertised on Seek and on LinkedIn. Looking for photographers, part-time people who might be working. Might be, say, a mum who's got kids at daycare and is looking for maybe the odd appointment. You'll be able to, you might be available 9 to 3 or whatever it might be. We might need someone to go out and create a tour. We'll have people around the country who can do that for us. You'll get paid. We're paying good rates for that. Obviously, the consumer or whoever's booking will pay, on booking, and then we will pay out when the job is done, and then we'll go through that whole VR Pro thing. So that is VR with TourRing activated. As soon as I've got something about the landing pages, we'll post that out and show you how that's going to work, how you can use your marketing around that, and how you can use the social media, business pages and posts as well, because we're all getting smarter, we're all getting more clever, buyers are getting so much more information available. They don't want to wait, and I don't blame you. I mean, I'm a busy guy as well. I've got, like 50 things on the go, or maybe not, 30 to 40 things on the go at any one time, and you just and you want to have time out for yourself. on the weekends or whenever your days off are. So, information in, information out. Time is of the essence. Making people using web forms. So we're going to do a whole lot of other stuff, and I should really jot all this down. So today I've been creating a booking page for VR Pro, and that has been interesting, trying to find a good tool that ticks the boxes, is affordable, and I found one. I finally found a good solution. It's ticks all the boxes. It's got a great landing page, so check that out, vrpro.co.nz. That's the pro domain name. Should do all that basic stuff again. Right. So Cloud Pro will be all-encompassing everything in the cloud. VR Pro will focus on VR. Web Pro, websites. Voice Pro, voice, and etc. We'll do a pro session on every single one. So I'm going to sign off because I'm starting to rant and rave. I've got a lot of work to do. YouTubers, do what you do on YouTube. New Zealanders, VR Pro. I need people who can help me and help you and help the world be more efficient and interact with your customers. Do it, otherwise you'll get left behind. Okay, that's going to be for me now. So I'll see you all later. Okay. Remember to subscribe. Oh, and email me for a discount code for iStaging. So ben.kean at cloudpro.kiwi or getben@cloudpro.kiwi, and I'll get you a discount code for iStaging. All right. So you're not going to go this week. So I'll see you all later. Bye.